Alright, welcome back. So here are some more examples of how to use equations based on real-world situations in order to provide a solution. So our first one here has 3 donuts and a $2.40 coffee is the same as 5 donuts and a 0.60 or a 60-cent cookie. What is the price of one donut? So when we see the same, we think the equals sign. So 3 donuts plus 2.4 is the same as 5 donuts plus 0.6. Alright, that's our first step. We've got an equation. Our next step is we don't like having pronumerals on both sides of the equation. We have to get rid of them on one side. So for this particular example, we're going to get rid of the smaller number on the left by taking away 3d from both sides. 3d minus 3d will just be 0, so we're left with 2.4 is equal to 2d plus 0.6. Alright, all we have to do now is get rid of that 0.6, that additional term. So let's take away 0.6 from both sides. And we're left with 1.8 is equal to 2d. That means that d will be equal to 1.8 divided by 2, which is going to be 0.9, which is equal to $0.90 or 90 cents per donut. Alright, here's another example. So 2 novels and a $7 bookmark cost the same as 5 novels and a $1 pen. So let's write an equation for this. 2n plus 7 is equal to 5n plus 1. Alright, let's get rid of one of these sides pronumeral. So the smaller side is easier, so let's get rid of 2n from both sides. That leaves us with 7 is equal to 3n plus 1. We want to get rid of this additional term, so we're going to take away 1 from both sides. 6 is equal to 3n, or 3n is equal to 6. Divide both sides by the coefficient in order to get the pronumeral on its own. So 3n divided by 3 is just n, and 6 divided by 3 is just 2. That means the cost of the novel is $2. And that's a very cheap novel. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it's helpful, and I will see you in the next one.